Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the left click is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for mouse in the Windows search bar and open the mouse. Now make sure that this is not in the reverse order. It should be selected at left. It should not be selected at right. It should be left. Once this is sorted out, if it still does not help, then update the mouse driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update the first driver. Right click and update the second driver. Right click and update the third driver. Now, if this helps, well and good. If not, then there may be a physical defect with the mouse and you will have to change the mouse in that case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.